Hey, this is Joel from Flex Digital Marketing, and I have been loving IFTTT lately, and wanted to share a few of my favorites, my favorite recipes. So I have my top 7 here, and I'll just go through them really quickly with a quick explanation about each one. So the first one, articles saved for later in Feedly, which is my RSS reader, get saved for later in Pocket as well. So Pocket's what I use to save all articles that I want to read later, to keep me from getting distracted. Feedly is what I use. That replaced Google Reader back in the day, and I love being able to scroll through Feedly, hit the favorite button, and then be sitting in one place in Pocket for me to read when I do like a batch of reading. Second one is syncing your Amazon Alexa to dos with my reminders. I use reminders for everything. So, one of the big things is just a shopping list. And so, a lot of times, Siri does a terrible job of picking up my voice. So, I'll use that. But um, I'll also just use the Alexa devices around the house.
I'm not sure.
And of course that picks it up right there. But to quickly and easily add it, and it just syncs it with my shopping list reminder, for example. Next one, number 3. This is just a great one to have in case something happens, but just backing up my contacts to a Google Spreadsheet. Any new contacts I have just gets backed up, and that's been really nice just to have that, especially like I said, if anything happens, and to keep it without even having to think about it. This one is just a simple, kind of more of a fun one. Shazam tag songs get added to my Spotify account automatically. So that's just nice because it's usually a song that I like if I tag it in Shazam. So I love being able it to throw on there, and then I can open up Sonos and start playing it. This one is helpful. I use Slack a lot, and so if there's a Facebook page message to certain Facebook pages, I have all my Facebook notifications turned off, and so this way it ensures that I actually get notified about it without having to be barraged by the millions of Facebook, app notifications. Next one is adding Feedly subscriptions to a Google Drive spreadsheet. So we already talked about Feedly. The I use this for a very specific use case. I find I have people ask a lot, like favorite blog subscriptions, or they want a favorite one in just a couple of them in content marketing, or just in productivity or SEO or something. So being able to have these all in one place and get automatically added for what I'm reading is really nice, to be able to jump into that spreadsheet, copy and paste the ones that I want, and send them off. And then the last one, saving the tweets you like on Twitter to a Google spreadsheet. This one's awesome because a lot of times I will see tweets, and like that was really well written, or it's inspiration for something else, or I want to get to it. And so being able to have that in one formatted place, so I have it where it is like the person who tweeted it, a link to the actual tweet, the tweet copy, any links inside the tweet, and the time it was posted. So all in different cells. So that's really handy. So those are just a few of them I was going through, and those are probably my top ones out of a couple different dozen ones, but would love to hear what you find useful as well, and if any of these helps you.